Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Jacqueline Cesar, 40 years old, single, from Philippines. I'm a high school graduate. I have three children, ages of 18, 16, 13, two boys and one girl. I have a work experience for domestic helper in Kuwait, 4 years and 5 months in a one employer only. My duties and responsibilities: ironing, wash the clothes, wash the dishes, taking care of two dogs, taking care of a baby girl aged of 3 until 6 years old. Sometimes I do car wash and gardening every once a week. They're my future employer. If you hire me, I promise I do my best all of my responsibilities in your house. I hope that I will be part of your family soon. I will treat your family as your own family. I'm a hardworking, honest, trustworthy, and a happy person. See you soon, Ma'am and Sir. Thank you.